Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make Turkish-style spicy meatless steak tartar, which is better known as Turkish Çigkofte. This is a vegetarian dish, but the name is steak tartar. The name is kind of tricky, but this version is meatless. And now, let's get started. Traditionally, it is needed for about 15 minutes, but in this recipe, I'm going to show you how to make it with a food processor in the easiest way. We are going to start with 1 onion and chop it in the food processor until it looks like this. Now we're going to add 2 cups of fine bulgur, 1 cup of hot water. Mix them really well. Let them sit for about 5 minutes or so. Now 1.5 tablespoons of tomato paste and 1.5 tablespoons of hot pepper paste. You can see all the spices on the screen and everything is in the description box in English. Add them all. Now add 1/3 cup of olive oil, 1/3 cup of pomegranate molasses. Now it is time to grind all the ingredients in the food processor until it almost looks like paste. Here I am adding 3 cloves of garlic and 1 cup of walnuts. It should be looking like this. This is the desired consistency. And here I am giving the meatballs the famous Çigkofte shape, which is basically squeezing them in my hand, as you can see. And here is the result. You can serve it with iceberg lettuce or romaine lettuce or however you want. It is mostly served with lemon and parsley and iceberg lettuce. Before serving, you can drizzle some pomegranate molasses over them. You can also squeeze lemon juice all over the plate. And it's ready to serve. It is commonly served with turnip juice or ayran, which is basically a combination of plain yogurt and water and salt. You are going to blend them really well and you have it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my recipe. If you did, please hit the like button. And I'll see you next time with another Turkish recipe.